Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Honeyville Way Buggy. This unit has the mechanical scale head here. We took this unit completely apart, went through everything, checked over all of the wear components, replaced the knives and bearings. Everything is looking good on this unit. We're going to do a test here. You can see down inside of the hopper bin there. Now I have my weights set to 0 on the beam here. You can see that the needle indicator is hovering in the eye. It's not touching. Now I will put a 1 pound weight on here, and of course that'll put it out of 0. So I move this up here, and now you can see that the needle is hovering inside of the eye again. That means we are weighing out accurately to 1 pound. We put this 5 pound weight on here. This simulates 5 pounds of product in the hopper. We move our weight up to the 6 pound mark, and you can see that the needle is hovering in the eye again. That means it's weighing out accurately to 6 pounds. And then we take our 30 pound weight here, put it down inside of the hopper here. We come back over here. This would be simulating 36 pounds inside of the hopper. And you can see now that the needle is hovering inside of the eye, and it is weighing out accurately to 36 pounds. I love these old scale systems. This one here is beautiful again, looking good, and it is working as it should. It's an all-around nice unit. It's been gone through. It's ready to go back to work and perform for a long time.